Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix CarPlay not working issue on iOS 17. If CarPlay is not working on your iOS 17 devices, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is check CarPlay compatibility. Ensure that your car's infotainment system is compatible with CarPlay. Not all vehicles or aftermarket stereos support CarPlay. After this, then you have to do is check your cable connection. Make sure you are using a high quality USB cable. Sometimes faulty or low quality cables can cause connection issues. Try using an Apple official certified cable. After this, then you have to do is check your USB port. Connect your iOS device to the correct USB port in your car. Some cars have multiple USB ports and only one may support CarPlay. After checking these three steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone and car both. Restart both your iPhone and car infotainment system. This can help refresh the connection and resolve minor glitches. To restart your iPhone, you have to simply open your settings, then tap on General, scroll down and then tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for car software update. Check if there are any software updates available for your car's infotainment system. Refers to your car's manual or connect the manufacturer to for, in, for instructions on updating the software. After this, then you have to do is make sure to check your iOS version on your iPhone. You have to open your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for restrictions. Make sure that CarPlay is not restricted on your device. You have to go to your settings. Now tap on General. Now go back. Tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now tap on Allowed Apps. And you have to make sure that CarPlay is enabled. After trying this all step and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset your network settings. To do this, you have to open your General. Scroll down and then tap on Transfer Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Simply tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.